Hello everyone, how are you all doing? This is Aisha and you're watching the Wise Choice Hub. I welcome you all to another session of learning grammar in an easy way. Today we are going to learn a very important chapter in grammar, which is the need of the hour. Before the advent of modern technology made communication so easy, the art of writing a letter was considered an important requirement. Even today, a letter is an important means of communication in both the workspace as well as our personal lives. So, let us educate ourselves with the nuances of letter writing today. The art of letter writing and its reception will always offer an experience that modern technology cannot touch. Why do we write letters? We write letters for various reasons. To invite your friend for birthday party, to apologize to your principal for misbehavior in class, to commiserate on someone's demise, to congratulate your team leader on his promotion, to lodge a complaint to the manager of the bank for the poor internet banking service, to place an order of products to a company, to apply for a job, and also you write a thanking letter to someone who has done good for you. Letters are broadly classified into two, formal letters and informal letters. Let's understand the meaning of formal letter. A formal letter is written to a business, education sector or any professional that are not considered friends or family. Such formal letters are written for official purposes to authorities, dignitaries, colleagues, seniors, etc. and not to any people who are in personal contact or to your friends or family members. So we write formal letters to our headmaster, headmistress or to the principal of an institution, to the secretary, to the manager, to the director and so on. Let us know what is an informal letter. An informal letter is a non-official letter that we usually write to our friends, family or relatives. These letters are personal letters and not official letters. You write personal letters to your father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, grandmother, cousin, friend, etc. Today I am going to explain you only about the formal letter and its parts and also teach you how to write the formal letter. So here the formal letter has 6 parts. First is the heading, second is the salutation, third is the subject, fourth is the body of the letter, fifth is the subscription and sixth is the signature. Write a letter to your school principal requesting her or him to issue you a study certificate to apply for Aadhaar card. The first part of the letter is heading, and heading includes the sender's address and the receiver's address. So here we have the from address, Lara Singh, Standard 9, Wise Choice High School, Sadashiv Nagar, Bangalore. Leave a line, write date, I have put 4th October 2020. Leave a line and write the receiver's address, that is to address. To the principal, Wise Choice High School, Sadashiv Nagar, Bangalore. Make sure the from address, the date and the to address is written on the left hand side of the letter, left hand side of the page. The second part of the letter is the salutation, and salutation is a greeting used in a letter. Either it may be a formal letter or informal letter. But now as we are studying about the formal letter, the salutation we are going to write here is respected sir if it is a male principal, or respected madam if she is a female principal. Every letter has a subject and a reason. So our today's subject is request for study certificate, and subject is the third part of the letter. After writing the subject, come to the next line and begin with the para, the fourth part of the letter, that is the body of the letter. I, the undersigned, is a student of class 9 studying in your reputed institution. The reason to write to you is that I need my study certificate to apply for Aadhaar card. I have been studying in this institution since 2016-17 from class 5 and my admission number is 28/2016-17. Full stop, come to the next line, next para. I therefore kindly request you to issue me the study certificate at an earliest. Full stop, come to the next line, again begin with the para and say, I hope you will do the needful. Full stop, now you have to end the letter. Thanking you and put a comma. That becomes the body of the letter. After finishing the body of the letter, we move on to the fifth part of the letter, that is the subscription. Subscription is written with respect to a relation of the sender with the receiver. It's written on the left side corner. Now here, as the letter is written by a student, I am going to use the subscription as yours obediently and place a comma down. Next is the sixth part of the letter, that is the signature. You are going to write your name below and you are going to sign above. I have covered all the essential 6 parts of the letter required for your formal letter. I hope you have understood now the way of writing the formal letter. To make it more easy and understandable, there is another example of a formal letter written to the mayor of your city seeking a solution to the problem of water logging in your area. Imagine your Maitri or Mithun of Diamond Colony, Pinya Industrial Area, Mysore. Children, please have a view of these slides and try to understand the way of writing a letter to the mayor of your city. On all honesty, I hope you have understood the way of writing formal letter now. Quickly put your comment in the comment below and do not forget to watch the next part of the video coming soon in Wise Choice Hub channel on informal letter writing. Thank you for watching this video. Now